Euro AUD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll break down Euro against AUD. And before we start the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. So subscribe and like and press the bell notification. And then below the video, you will find some links. You can check them in your free time. So you can join the free Telegram group if you want some free signals every now and then. And you can also check the prop firm and the brokers here. But the link I'm going to talk about is this join monthly membership. So you can check out this link after this video, and you will find the benefits you can get if you join the monthly membership, which is going to include analysis of these 15 forex pairs every week, in a detailed way, okay, and gold analysis and much more. So you can check out the link after watching this video. Now, starting with the weekly analysis of Euro AUD, we are in a trend reversal, you can say, or it can be in weekly it can be a big pullback or it can be a trend reversal. But in daily, it is certainly a trend reversal, because if you see this big red candle, giant red candle, which has eaten this, eaten those 2.5, the candles, and this one here has almost eaten this one. So what I'm saying is, come here. This giant red candle eaten previous blue candles, it's a trend reversal, and then confirmation is this fakey candle, okay? So if you see this candle with the long wick, so this is called smart money coming into the market, okay? So those bastards, the investors, they came into the market and they took all the stop losses of the people, and once they taken the retail traders out from the market, then they push the market down, and it is continuing to go down, okay? And it has broken the neckline. So if you put in your line here and you just draw here at the previous support, you see, so this candle last Friday or couple of days ago has broken the neckline. You know what's gonna happen now? We're gonna go down, 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 baby, okay? It's the sell trend which we are starting. The fakey candle rejection has come. The smart money people are into the market now, and it has broken the neckline. So you can see previous support level has been broken by this red candle. We're gonna go down, baby, okay? Now let's go back to 4-hour here. In 4-hour, we are clearly in the downtrend, making new lows. Now, it's a downtrend doesn't mean that you have to enter sell now. You have to use your common sense. So if you come back to 4 hours, you can see downtrend, pullback, new low, pullback, new low. So probably now we are going to, I think, maybe make another pullback. After the pullback, wait for the red confirmation candle, then enter 1:2 ratio. Okay, if you are a 4-hour trader, that's how you need to do. In 4-hour, we are clearly in the downtrend. Wait for the pullback, then red confirmation candle, then 1:2 ratio. Okay, but that trend is surely down. 2 confirmations, this huge red candle and then this long wick. This is the confirmation that the trend, and this again has broken this red candle on Friday has broken the neckline. We are going down, baby. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and all of that, and share this content with your friends who are into trading, because not many people you will find on the internet with this kind of knowledge, okay? So make sure you share as well. And if you want to join membership, check out the link below, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.